Hello, people, oh yeah, I want to show you my first loom creation. This is my first loom creation. It's really big. Yes, it is. It is fishtail. I learned on a video, on a loom, but I know how it works. It's the same thing. And I really love it. Because it's fishtail and it feels so weird. I like things that feel weird. I might get my loom and hook and stuff. I broke my, well, I didn't break them. I just took all my bracelets apart and made this big one. Except for my starburst. My friend gave it to me. And I can't even find that one. I had that since November or December, I don't know. And I just did random colors. There's a clip. 2, 1. I tried to do the rainbow, but I didn't have yellow or certain colors. So, Roy, no yellow, G, 2 blues, and then I did random colors, and then I got bored, I'm gonna aggravate it, and then I just did random colors. I wish you could focus it on this, because I have a tablet right now. I can't record it with my phone, because it's dead. See? It won't turn on. Unless I charge it, which I'm not going to charge it right now. So, it's my first loom creation. No, I have not made an original. Well, I have, but it never went so well. I just get 2 looms from Learning Express, and it's kind of cool that I made a fishtail, and I'm a beginner. I mean, ooh, where is it? Oh, it's kind of cool. And I said to my friend, oh my gosh, fishtails are so hard to do. And then, like a year later, I watched some videos how to make one. Shout outs to those people. A year later, I say, fishtails are easy. All you gotta do is you take 2 fingers, make a figure 8, and then blah, 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 blah. I'm gonna show you guys how to make them when I get more rubber bands. If I find that starburst one, I might break it apart. I might. I just really love this bracelet. And we got, see what colors we got. Okay, so we got, yeah. See, that's when I got mixed up stuff. Red, purple. Those are the last colors that I had. Then I got pink, and then green, and red, purple, blue, pink, light blue, orange, green. I get rid of the red colors, but at first I did. Roy G. Biv, and then I tried to do it again, then I forgot, then I got aggravated, and then, yeah, I did that. I'm trying to learn how to do some shapes, not really a shape, like an animal. Um, It was my first Aaron creation of the Irish Tail, and I just love it too much. Carly, my friend Carly, she's gonna be like, you made a fish tail with your hands? She's gonna be like that, because she's like, ugh. I hope I get a loom, because it's a lot easier with that, and I can make a lot more. With a loom and 600 bands. The next time I go to Learning Express, my mom might buy it, but not now because she hasn't gotten paid yet. Anyway, bye. Subscribe and like this video. Oh, sorry, I didn't follow that.